Hello, a very good morning to everyone. Dear students, today we are going to start our exercise 8.4. Okay. Yesterday we discussed some important formula also. If you want to learn exercise 8.4, at least you should know these 8 formula. Okay dear. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Or both are opposite or not? Cosec is equal to 1 upon sin. It's good. Sin theta equal to 1 by cosec theta. It is divided on the side, multiply. So sin theta multiply cosec theta equal to 1. Sin theta multiply another side, divide. So always remember like this. Okay dear. Sin theta is 1 by cosec theta. Cosec is 1 by sin theta. Same as it is cosec theta 1 by sec theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Tan theta is 1 by cot theta, and cot theta is 1 by tan theta. And next two are very important. Tan. If I ask you what is tan in form of cot, so 1 by cot. If I ask you what is tan theta in form of sin and cos, so tan theta equal to sin by cos. And cot is always opposite of tan, so it is sin by cos, so it is cos by sin. And these three formula dear. Sin square plus cos square theta equal to 1. Yesterday we proved also it. Okay dear. Secant square theta. Look at theta, theta angle must be equal both. Okay dear. And secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And from here we can derive 3 more formula, changing the position of. Okay there dear. Next last is cosecant square theta minus cot square equal to 1. Okay dear. So you should remember this. Question number 1 and 2 are both are same. In question number 1 we have to express the trigonometry ratios sin A, sec and tan in term of cot A. But in the second question, in the first question only 3's are we have to write terms of cot A. But here dear we have to find all the trigonometry ratios. How many total trigonometry ratios? There are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it means every one we have to write in form of sec. So look at first very simple. Sec is always opposite of cos. So it means you can write cos angle. What is angle is A? Sec A equal to always 1 by cos A equal to 1 by sec A. So first we have already finished. Write all the trigonometry is in term of sec A. So cos A is in term of sec A or not? We already said. Understand? Understand or not? Now look at dear. What we want to find? Now we want to find what is remain. Sin is already finished. Cos is finished. Sec is also finished. Now what is remain? Sin remain. Cosec remain. Tan remain and cot remain. Now we will take a formula dear, in which if you want to find tan, because tan we want to write in form of sec, we ratios in terms of sec, we have to write dear tan equal to in some sec. Okay, we don't write tan is 1 by cot, not it is forming cot. We have to write in form of a sec. So we will take a formula in which tan and sec both are given. Okay. Formula number 7. It is or not? So you will write, we know secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to what? We know this formula. Here we want to find value of whose? Tan. Tan or not? Tan in term of secant. So tan one side and another side other side. Tan another side positive, so it is tan square theta equal to, it is positive, and one another side negative. So secant not dear, we are using angle is A. It is formula. Okay dear. Tan square A equal to secant square A minus. Yes, tan is also in form of sec, but we want to find value of tan. It is square, and square how can we remove? Take a square root both sides. So you can write taking square root both sides. Look at, so tan square A equal to square root whole number. Okay dear, both sides. Secant square A minus 1. Square cancel to square root. What is tan A equal to? Can we cut square to this one? No, because minus sign is also. So it is your answer. So now we have to find first cos A we have already find. Tan is also already find. Now what is remain? Tan we have. Now can we, if we know tan in form of sec, so can we find easily cot also? Because cot is always opposite of tan. So you can write we know cot theta equal to, cot is always 1 by tan or not? So cot A is always its reciprocal. So it is become 1 upon 10. What is 10? It is 10. So secant square A minus 1. So now cos also we will write in form of sec. Tan is also in form of sec. Third is cot is also in form of this one. Now what is remain? Only sine is remain. Understand here? Understand or not? No need to write sec because sec is already given in sec. Okay dear? What is remain? Sine. So now we will use any one formula dear in which what we will do? In which sine or sec formula or cosec or sec formula. Any other formula? No, any other formula. So what we will do? Look at, we want to find sine. So we have to use which one? If we will use this one, so sine by cos, sine we don't know. Okay dear, but yes, any one formula you can take and you can find. Look at, tan is equal to sine by cos. Tan value you know, it is 10. Cos value you know, it is, and multiply. What is find? Sine. Very simple or not? Because dear, we want to find value of sine in sec. Tan is already we find. Tan value we know already in sec. Cos also cos value we already know in sec. Very simple. Okay dear. Otherwise any other formula we can use this one also dear. Cosecant square minus cot square equal to 1. Cot value we know in form of sec. Yes. Okay dear. It is some become lengthy. Okay, I know it's become lengthy, but don't be confused. It will be easy. Okay dear. So now any other you can use. You can use this one also. You can use this one also. You can use this one also. Then you can. Okay dear. So which one? Fourth. Okay, look at. So look at. We know tan theta equal to, tan theta is sine by cos theta dear. Tan theta, it means tan value. Tan na? So tan value, so you can write tan A equal to sine A by cos A. Tan A value we already find. How much? It is secant square A minus 1 equal to sine A and equal to cos A. Cos A is 1 by sec. Otherwise you can write like this one dear. Sine A is equal to, it is another side, multiply is tan A into cos A. Very simple dear. Now sine A is equal to, because we want to represent sine in sec, so tan A value we already know. Yes. Secant square minus A and multiply by cos A. What is cos value? 1 by sec A. So multiply it. So sine A equal to 1 into any number, same number, secant square A minus 1. Yes, it is sine value is also in sec. Same as it is. So 1, 2, 3. It is 4. And fifth one, which one? Fifth one. What we will write? Fifth is cosec. Cosec is always opposite of sine. So you can write cosec A. Cosec A is reciprocal of sine. What is? Secant A divided by secant square A minus 1. So all 5 values we find sec in the term of secant. So every time dear we will starting from write all term in secant A. So secant A is whose opposite? Cos. So cos value we find easily. Okay. Now we will use, if we have already find cos in sec, so we will take a formula in which tan or sec is given. So tan it is, because sec value from here we can find value tan in form of sec. If we know tan, we can find easily cos. Now we will take any other find from this one. Okay dear? Same as it is question number 1 also. In question number 1, express the trigonometric ratio sin A, sec A, tan A in term of cot A. So in term of a cot A, what is tan? Tan A is 1 by cot A. Very simple. Other two also you can find. Okay dear? So please note down it. First question and second question it is. First question you have to do yourself. Okay dear? It is only little bit confusion. Other question are very simple. And it is not more important also. Most of time it is not come. Okay dear? Note down please. Now dear, question number 4, second part. First thing, listen me carefully. If you know these 8 formulas, this exercise is very easy. If you don't remember, nothing I can't do. Okay dear? Please remember this formula. Revise again and again. Write on your notebook. Okay? Again and again. And listen next thing also. Now dear, most of the question, 99% we will do by the same method. And method is that always, listen carefully, always we will change in sine or cos. Okay dear? Every trigonometry ratios we will try to change in sine and in cos, and then it is very simple dear. Look at second part. 1 plus tan theta. My plus sign and t of t is both are same. So don't be confused, okay? 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta multiplied 1 plus cot minus cosec theta. So what I told you before? What I told you before 2 minutes? Always change in sine and cos. Look at, very simple. 1 plus tan change in sine and cos. Tan is always sine by cos. So it is sine theta dear, divide by cos theta. 1 plus sine theta divide by cos theta. Always we will try to change in either sine or cos or both. Any, okay. Sec theta can be changed in sine, cos or anyone. Yeah, sec theta is always opposite of cos. So sec is 1 by cos theta. Very simple. Nothing we have did till now. Again bracket 1 plus change cot in sine or cos. Cot is cos by sine theta dear, minus cosec theta. Sine is 1 by cosec and cosec is 1 upon sine theta. Very simple dear. Nothing we did. Very simple. Now what we will do? These are like fraction. And fraction how can we change? How can we add and subtract? By taking LCM. Do you remember in the 6th and 7th class I told you we will use fraction in 10th class also, in 11th also, every time. Okay dear? So it is very important. Fraction is very important part. So look at dear. Only dear we will change the value. It is very interesting chapter also dear. If you don't know, answer of the question and also can't find the answer, only you will write only 1 or 2 step, you will get full marks. Okay, only we will change. What is 10? 10 you can write 1 by quote also. Sec is 1 by quote. Only 2 step you will write, then also you will get marks. Okay, but you have to write anything. Okay, so look at, these are fraction, and fraction how can we add? By taking LCM. So what is LCM? If I write 1 by 7 plus 1 by 8, if there is a no common in denominator, what will fraction? Fraction is multiply both 8 into 7, 57. Otherwise 7 into 8 also we can write. Same as it is. So, both are cos. Okay. Both are cos. So it means what is common in both are same or not? So it is, what is LCM? LCM is cos theta here. Now it is meaning whenever there is only a number and we will take a fraction, what is 4? Directly you can multiply it. 4 into 7. Okay dear? Because it is 7 into 1. 4 divided by 1. Again comes same number. 4 into 7. Same as it. Cos theta into 1. Cos theta plus sin theta. Cos theta divided by cos 1. 1 into sin. Sin. Again. Cos theta divided by cos theta 1. 1 or not? Why not? Cos theta divided by cos theta. Theta means both angles same. Cos 45 and cos 45, both value are same or not? They are cut. Look at plus 1, same as it is there. Now we will take here LCM. What is LCM? Sin theta. I am right now direct. Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Understand? Till now I think no problem anyone. Now look at here. Now you have to identify formulas. A plus b square, a minus b whole square, and one more formula, a plus b, always write in your notebook, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Look at here, a plus b and a minus b is possible. Yes. Sin plus cos is a plus b. It is also sin plus cos. It is also sin plus cos. It is value a. It is value b. A plus b. Sin plus cos. Here what we took? A. So it is a. So it is minus, and it is b. B is 1. B is 1. A plus b into a minus b. How much? A square minus b square. It means a. What is a? A is sin theta plus cos theta, and it's whole square. Always whenever more than one term we will take a whole square. Now minus b. B is what? 1 square. Understand here? And we know they are in multiply or not. So cos theta into sin theta. Very simple dear. Cos theta into sin theta. Okay dear. Now we will only open formula. It is a plus b whole square. Write in your notebook formula. Okay, I am rubbing this one. Okay, now after it you will write a plus b whole square. What is a plus b? Not sing. It is angle always we will write. A plus b. A square plus b square plus 2 into ab. Look at now. Sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab. 2 into a is sin, b is cos. So 2 sin theta cos theta and minus 1 minus 1. It is 1 square 1. So divide sin theta into cos. Nothing we have to change there. We have to only take LCM and solve them. Now formula we will use. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, how much? 1. Always we will write formula. Sin square plus cos square theta always 1. So write 1 plus 2 sin theta divided by cos theta minus 1 divided by Sin theta divided by 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. 0. What is 2 sin theta divided by cos theta divided by sin theta into. Look at all are multiplied. They are multiplied. Sin theta cancel. Sin theta. Cos theta cancel. Cos. What is answer? 2 is answer. Look at nothing is here. 2 number is given. What we write? Understand? So which one answer? C part. Only dear, my dear students, only you have to remember. Only we will change in sine and cos. Sine and change in sine and cos. Take LCM, and then we will identify which one formula. A. Otherwise, dear, look at. If you don't remember formula, you can do multiply like this one. Do you know how to multiply? A plus B plus C into D plus E plus F. How to multiply? Trinomial into trinomial. Take first term A into D, A into E, A into F. Okay, now we will multiply by B by each term. B into D, B into E, B into. Do you remember no or not in 8th class? Otherwise, cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta into. Look at cos theta into sin theta. Cos sin theta. Cos theta into cos theta. Cos square theta. Cos theta minus 1. So minus cos theta. Okay dear. Now sin theta into sin theta. Sin square theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta and 1 in starting. Cos into sin. So 2 sin theta. Okay dear. So it is same become. Okay dear. If you have any, if you don't know the formula, you can do like this one also multiply. Okay dear. So please note down it. Now we will do next part. Now dear, third part of the fourth question, what is given? Secant A plus tan A multiply 1 by sin A. What I told you? Always change in sin and cos. Sec A mean sec A. Here is theta, so it is 1. Sec theta is 1 by cos. If this angle is A, so we will take angle A. Okay dear. So sec A is always 1 by cos A. We know. Same as it is tan. Tan is always sin by cos. So tan is sin A by cos A. And 1 minus sin A. It is already in sin and cos. So no need to change. Write as it is. Okay dear? Nothing we have to change. Write as it is. They are multiplied or not? Look at now. They are in fraction, and fraction how what we will do? By taking addition. Taking LCM we will add. Cos A and cos A. LCM is cos A. It is 1 by sin A. Again you have to identify A plus B. A minus B. Because 1 minus sin A in here. Like this one or not? Numerator. So it is, we will write formula. What is? A plus B into A minus B. It is very important here. You have to identify. Otherwise, you can multiply directly also. 1 into 1. 1. 1 into minus sin A, minus sin A. Sin A into 1, positive sin A. Sin A and minus sin A is cancelled. And sin A into sin A, minus sin square. Positive into negative, minus sin square. Otherwise, you should remember formula. Okay? If you don't know what we have to do, you have to multiply. Numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So 1 square, A square minus B square. 1 square minus sin square A. Cos A into 1, cos A. Now, what we will do? Now 1 minus sin square. Now you have to check formula in which sin square A. Yes, sin square A plus cos square A is always equal to 1, and it is 1 minus. So sin square on the other side negative. So cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square. Dear, you have to think. Here is sin square A. What is formula of a formula in which sin square? So it is formula. Okay dear. So sin square A plus cos square is 1. So cos square. So 1 minus sin square always is equal to cos square A. Cos square A means cos A into cos A. 1 cos A cancel. Okay. So what is remaining? Cos. So it is cancel. What is? Cos A is your answer. Nothing you have to do. Only we have to write in change in sin and cos. Okay. Please you have to do yourself. Now dear, fourth question, fourth part. Look at 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a. Only one thing you have to remember, change in sine and cos. So 1 plus tan in sine by cos, and here is given square, so it is sine square a divided by cos square. Same as it is here, 1 plus, and always use this sign dear. Most of students did not use. It is division sign. You have to use, and long sign you have to use. Don't use like this one by one. What is this one? Nothing. Now, the 1 plus cot is cos by sine. Cos square a by sine square a. Now again, it is a fraction. We will take LCM. Same method we are using. Okay? Same procedure we are using. Cos square a is a LCM. So cos square a into 1. Cos square a. Cos square a divided by cos square a. 1 sign. And now this big sign. This one. dn. Now LCM is sine square a, Now again we will use formula. Cos square a plus sine square a. Cos square a plus sine square a is always 1. So it is 1 upon cos square a. Sine square a plus cos square a, 1 by sine. Again, I told you always multiply first and fourth. Okay? Otherwise, 1 by cos square a dear. You can write like this one. Now it is divide. 1 by sine square a equal to 1 by cos square a, and we know whenever we change divide in multiplication, always we will take its reciprocal opposite. So sine square a divided by 1. So 1 into sine square a. Otherwise, no need to write. What I told you, first and fourth. 1 into sine, second and third. Okay, dear. 1 into, so it is sine square a divided by cos square a. It is your answer. But in MCQ, what is given? Tan square a. Yes, sine square a by tan square. What we write? Sine square by cos square again. Okay. And in exam, dear, if you will write till here, then answer you will get full marks. Okay, dear. That is your answer. Okay, dear. So please try to question number 1, 2, 3, 4. We have already finished, and you have to do which one? Example number 12. Same as it is. Example number 12 is same as it is. Which one? Question number 1 and 2. Example 12 you have to do. Okay, dear. And one more. Which one? Example 1 and example 13 also. Only change in sine and cos here. Oh, okay, dear. So please note down it, and all please revise these 8 formula again and again. Okay, dear. So thank you everyone. Have a good day, dear.